Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can form your own LLC. So the first thing that you want to do is just when you're going to scroll down below to the video, click on the link in the description. When you're going to do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is a wonderful company that's going to help you create your own company. And I always say that when you're starting out with a business, what you should focus on is actually like the ways how you're going to make money. The ways how we're going to provide a value to people. You shouldn't focus on, let's say, I don't know, accounting all the time. You want to outsource things that doesn't make you money, that are not making you more effective. So that would be my recommendation. So the first thing you want to do is when you're going to enter Incfile, and we'll get to it, what do I mean by that, that being more effective and focusing more on making the money. So start my business here. And when you're going to be here, you want to choose LLC and not Colorado, but you want to find right here. Now, when you're going to choose it LLC, you want to find silver, gold, or platinum version. My recommendation is going with the gold, the middle way, and I'll explain why. You can go with the silver, of course, with preparing, filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. You got in every single plan. But with the gold version, you can have the IRS form, IN business tax number, operating agreement, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, business banking account, business tax consultation, and of course, you're gonna have covered everything in gold. But what you can have, you can go in with platinum, in which you would have things like expedited filling, business contract templates, domain name, and business email. So if you want these three things, and we will get to the middle of the video for the platinum version and what the business contract templates means, you can choose the platinum version. We will go with the gold right now for this video. You can of course upgrade to platinum later in the video. So I'll add a first name, Marcus Tonelius. I'm going to add email address. And then I'm going to add a phone number. So I'll Connecticut, generate, okay, phone number. This is just for the tutorial for you to know how to use it. And now I will add the address here. Okay, and zip code. Now when we have it, press next. When you're going to be here, you have options to have a filling time. So you can go with the 3 weeks, or on the right side, we can go with the 3 business days. It really depends if you want to wait or if you want to have it faster. Click next. Then you want to choose your LLC name. So let's say I'm going to write an LLC name of Sanvi, but you can choose your own. Let's say it can be, I don't know, Monica Hairdresser, Construction by Marcus. Okay, and then you need to choose designator, limited liability company, or just LLC. I will just press LLC here. Number of members and owners, I'm going to have 1. And then business purpose, let's say I'm in marketing consultation, so I will go marketing consulting services for small business owners. And then industry keyword is going to be marketing consulting services. When I have it, I need to add also the company address information, and I'm going to choose, like, click on this one here that I added in the beginning. Of course, when you have different company address information, you can add it here. And mailing address information, is the mailing address the same as the company address above? Yes. Press next. Now here you have options to have also the premium service package. So you can upgrade for only $149 to receive these free premium services. And you have options to find here the expedited filling service, business contract templates, that you can simply click here and choose the high quality legal documents and choose from those. And you see that in the moment when you would go to platinum version, you would have these at your disposal. and you have options to use them. Then you get also options to have a domain name and business email address. And what you can do is just simply click here, get upgrade and bonus. Or you can click here, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Okay. And now you're going to have the member 1 and company. So you're going to have like, please provide members information for Sunvi LLC. So we are going to have the member 1. And I'm going to simply choose as a individual, but if you're a company, you need to click your company and fill the company name, everything here. So individual. And now 100% of the ownership, I'm going to click next. And here, please provide registered agent information. So why use us as a registered agent? These are the reasons. And this is something that I definitely recommend to focus on actually managing the business, making money, creating products, and leaving the registered agent to do the work, to do the things. Then press next again. And then you're going to have the tax identification number information. And I'm going to write the SSN here. And then when you got it, again, fill everything here. Here you're going to have option to setting up small business banking, and you can open a new account. Or not at this time, that's like completely up to you. Then press next. And this is something I definitely recommend to have, guys. You're going to have options to have a free consultation with Incfile, where you will like how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce the chance of an IRS audit, everything that like the really important information, just press yes here. That's my recommendation. Have the business tax consultation for free. And when you got it, you need to have 2 licenses. It really depends what kind of category you choose as a business owner. I have 2 licenses, so I need to press yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. Or you can just press here, no thanks, I'll do the work by myself. So you choose which one you want here, which one you need. I would recommend going with a yes, so you don't have to do it by yourself. And then when you have everything here, you would have review order. I pressed no for the licenses only because I need to fill the address, but you press yes and fill the address, guys. Okay. And now when you have it, just press next. And then you're going to have the billing information here. And this is the last step. So after this step, when you're going to fill the cardholder name, also the card number, etc., you would click complete and pay, and you're good to go and you're covered. So this is pretty much it, how we do it, and this is how you use it. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, regarding this, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. This is how you can form the LLC in Connecticut. So yeah, this was a Connecticut form LLC and how you can form LLC in Connecticut. Have a great day, and if you're gonna have any questions, ask down below in the comments. Goodbye.